In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a check and get it printed cleanly on your check stock with tips to avoid common mistakes. First, we'll create the check in QuickBooks Online. On your dashboard, start by selecting the plus New button, then choose Check. At the top of the form, pick the correct bank account you want the funds to come from. This matters because QuickBooks will track the check number sequence and update the right register. Next, enter the payee. If it's a new payee, you can add the vendor on the fly, but be sure their mailing address is correct so it appears properly on the check. Set the date of the check, then complete either the category details or the item details section. Use category details when you're recording general expenses like utilities or rent and want to tag the cost to an expense account. Use item details if you track products or services and need quantities, rates, or billable details. Add a clear description or memo so you and your accountant know exactly what this payment was for later. Finally, enter the total amount. QuickBooks will translate the amount into words on the check automatically, so double check the number for accuracy. When everything looks right, click Save and Print to move straight into printing. Now, let's print the check. Choose Print Check to open the print window. Before you click anything else, load your pre-printed check stock into the printer. Most businesses use voucher-style checks with 2 stubs. Make sure the orientation matches your printer's recommended feed direction. If you're unsure, check the tray icon on your printer or do a quick test with plain paper to confirm alignment. Back in the print window, verify the printer selected is correct. For the best results, set the scale to actual size or 100% and keep the orientation on portrait. Avoid Fit to Page, which can shift your alignment. When you're confident everything is lined up, click Print. Once it prints, confirm the check number on the paper matches the number in QuickBooks, the payee and amount are correct, and the address is positioned properly in your envelope window if you use one. If the text is slightly off, adjust your printer's alignment settings or use QuickBooks Check Print Setup to fine-tune, then reprint. Store printed checks securely, and you're done. That's how to print checks in QuickBooks Online with confidence and accuracy.